Update. Dread Zone fans are getting quite a nose full of toxic vapors. Talk about allergies. Better hurry, Team Darkstar. That toxic fuel is causing quite a stink on the other side of that factory.
Ratchet, you will have to enter the factory and disable the force fields to get to the other side.
Showtime!
I'll hack these orbs while you hold them off, sir.
It's a good thing we're out of range, Juanita. We are out of range, aren't we? Okay, enough with the kiddie stuff. Let's get some real enemies in there.
Oh no, I can't bear to look. Yes, I can.